Hi guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. I just thought I would share with you a couple memory dex cards that I created and a little update on those who know that on an order that I was looking for that was misplaced. So I'll start with the memory dex cards. So this one here, I created on my own the sizing and the shape of it, and had to do my own punches where my Heidi Swap Memdex card is broken. So I just created on my own, and what I did was I wanted something a little bit different, and so I took some gold glitter tulle and I just fanned it out and bunched it here and tied it up, and I just laid it on top of the black. So I used the black and white paper with the embossed butterflies. I'm not so sure if you can see those or not, but they are embossed butterflies, super cute. And I really like working with black, especially with jewelry and that. I really like dark colors, and so I said, well, I got to add some color to it. So I did the white crepe paper rosette, and I took a couple pieces of scallop circles, actually 3 of them, and the gold with the lettering, and then the pink. And then I did some flags coming out from the side with the butterfly on top, just to add a little bit dimension on it. And then on the back side is not my information. It's actually for a birthday challenge, and I have more to be sent out with this challenge, but I'm not going to say who it's for, but I'm sure that person will know once they see the back side of it. So you can use it either way. They can have it that side facing, or you can have that side facing. And what I did was I had balloons dye, and then on this side I just put the pink color to match with the other side. And all you have to do is, it's just like a little pocket. You just, let's do it this way, slide it in. But I don't really care for the balloons on this side of it, but I kind of thought it was really cute on the other side. So I can always maybe add something there or change it up a little bit. So that's what I did for that one. So more pieces going with that one. This one has a couple other things going with it too, small little things. But this one is just because, so I'm sending it off to someone. And what I did was use this die here, Memdex card die. I think I got it on eBay or AliExpress. And so what I did was I cut out 2 pieces. I did the white and used the butterfly embossing again, and I did it white and gold. So then I took the piece of the white and just cut a layer about 1/2 inch off the top, and I just put it on so that you could still see the gold here in the back or on the top. And so then I just layered up. I have a heart die back here, and I did 2 pieces of the gold pink, and I just backed them. So on the front and the back you'll see the pink. And then I did the crepe paper rosette again with the 2 larger scallops. Actually, I think there's 3 back there. Pink on, and then another one with wording, and then pink on this side with the gold circle, a little 3-dimensional butterfly with some flat back pearls and the word joy, a couple flags, or actually just 1 flag there, and a couple flags down here. And on the back side is my information, but you can see the heart there facing from the back instead of just having the white paper. I thought that would be super cute. So these will be going out in the mail, or this one will be going out in the mail tomorrow. I have more to add for this one. I did call the post office that had my order for scrapbook.com, that large order that was misplaced by Canada Post, and when I called the post office, they said it was there. So I'm going to the post office tomorrow. Hopefully it is there, and if so, I'm going to be super excited to look at all the goodies that I got. They're more ephemera pieces that I bought. And so since I'm going to the post office, I have a few pieces I need to mail out. So I thought I would share with you before I do. And these will be going out, this one tomorrow, and this one will be going out a little bit later on after some pieces are added. I hope you guys are all doing well and taking care of yourselves during this difficult time. I'm doing well, and my daughter is doing well. So thank you everyone for your kind words and everything about my daughter's health. I do appreciate that. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.